Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create a second website on HostGator. If you're expanding your online presence or starting a new project, this is a really useful skill to have. So let's get right into it. First, open your browser and type in HostGator.com. Once the page loads, you'll see their main hosting options. You can explore plans if you want, but for now, let's focus on logging into your account. In the top right corner, click the Sign In button. Enter your username and password. Make sure you've got them ready so you can log in smoothly. After logging in, you'll land on your HostGator dashboard. This is where you manage all of your websites, domains, and account settings. Take a moment to get familiar with it if this is your first time. Now, click on the Websites option. This section lists your current sites and lets you make updates, changes, or add a brand new one. Here, you'll see a button labeled Add Site. Go ahead and click it. This is where the setup begins for your second website. You'll be asked to choose a domain name and customize a few options like plugins or features you'd like to include. Just follow the on-screen steps and tailor it to your needs. And that's it. You've successfully created a second website on HostGator. This makes it easy to grow your web presence and manage different projects under one account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.